Welcome to my channel Easy Tulu, Learn Tulu language online. In the previous 3 lessons, we have learned all the letters in Tulu alphabet. In this video, we are going to learn vowel signs. If you have not yet subscribed my channel, please subscribe and click on the bell icon to get the notification on upcoming videos. Also, please like and share this video if you liked it. When we use a consonant sound with any vowel sound, we have to add a symbol or sign representing that vowel sound to the consonant letter instead of using full vowel letters. You can see all the vowel signs in the screen. Now let us add these vowel signs to the consonant ka one by one. The first vowel or swara is a. There is no vowel sign for this vowel because the vowel a is inherent in all the consonant letters we have learned. Like all Indian languages, the vowel a is inherent in all the consonant letters by default. So we don't have separate vowel sign for the vowel a. So the letter ka has inherent a vowel with it. If we remove the vowel a from ka, we get the pure consonant sound k, which can be represented by a symbol called virama. This is the symbol to remove inherent vowel a from consonants. Let us see how to write this letter. This is ka. When we write the virama symbol on top of the letter, it will be k. K. K plus a becomes ka. Okay, next vowel is a. A. This is the long a. K plus a. Ka. Example: car. Car means a leg. Kalu in Kannada. Let us see how to write this. First, we have to write ka letter. Ka. Ka. And we have to add long a vowel symbol. Ka. Ka. Next vowel is e. E. This is short e. K plus e. Ki. Example: kide. Kide means cattle shed. Kottige in Kannada. Let us see how to write this. First, we have to write ka letter. Ka. Ka. And then add the short e vowel symbol. Ki. Ki. Okay, next vowel is e. E. This is the long e. Example: Kichil Sara. Kichil Sara means shrill voice. Kiralu Dhvani in Kannada. Let us see how to write this. First, we have to write ka letter. Ka. Ka. And then add the long e vowel symbol. Ki. Ki. This is same as short e symbol, but a loop is created on the top. Next vowel is u. U. This is the short u. K plus u. Ku. Ku. Example: kukku. Kukku means a mango. Mau in Kannada. Let us see how to write this. First, we have to write the ka letter. Ka. Ka. and then add the short O symbol. Ku, ku. Okay, next vowel is oo, oo. This is the long O. Ku plus O, ku, ku. Example, koli, koli means a tooth. Hallu in Kannada. Let us see how to write this. First we have to write the letter Ka. Ka. And then add the long U symbol. Ku. Ku. Okay, next vowel is U. U. This is the half O sound. Ku plus U. Ku. Ku. Example, Badku. Badku means life. Baduku in Kannada. Let us see how to write this. First we have to write Ka, then add half O symbol. Like short O, a short circle is written at the bottom and then the virama sign is on the top. This can also be written just using virama sign without forming a conjunct, as this is how it was written traditionally. Badku, badku. Also in Tulu, all the words which seems to be ending with consonant sound actually have half O sound. So it is not necessary to have a special sign for this vowel. Next vowel is R. R. K plus R. Kr. Kr. Example, Krishna. Krishna. Let us see how to write this. First we have to write Ka, then add R symbol. Kr. Kr. Okay, next vowel is A. A. This is short A. Q plus A. K. K. Example, KB. KB means ear. KB in Kannada. Let us see how it is written. Short A sign is written at the left side of the letter. So first we have to write the short A symbol. Then we have to write the letter Ka. K. K. Okay, next vowel is A. A. This is the long A. Q plus A. K. K. Example, Kn. Kn means listen or hear. Kelu in Kannada. Let us see how it is written. This one also written at the left side of the letter. First we have to write the long A symbol. Then write the letter Ka. K. K. Okay, next vowel is A. A. This is the short A sound. Q plus A. Ka. Ka. Example, Telika. Telika means smile or laugh. Nagu in Kannada. Let us see how to write this. First we have to write the short A vowel symbol. Then write the letter Ka. 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 Next vowel is A. A. This is long A sound. Q plus A. Ka. Ka. Example. Kara. Kara means a rat snake. Kere how in Kannada. Let us say how it is written. First we have to write the long A symbol. Then write the letter Ka. 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 Okay, next vowel is I. I. Q plus I. Kai. Kai. Example. Kaitalu. Kaitalu means near. Hattira in Kannada. Let us say how it is written. First we have to write the vowel I symbol. Then write the letter Ka. Kai. Kai. So double short A sign is written at the left side of a consonant. Okay, next one is O. O. This is the short O sound. Q plus O. Ko. Ko. Example. Koda. Koda means umbrella. Kode in Kannada. Let us see how it is written. This is the combination of short A and long A symbols. Short A sign is written at the left side and long A sign is written at the right side of a consonant. First we have to write short A symbol. Then write the letter Ka. Then write long A vowel symbol. Ko. Ko. Okay, next vowel is O. O. This is the long O sound. Q plus O. Ko. Ko. Example. Koda. Koda means yesterday. Ninne in Kannada. Let us say how to write this. This is the combination of long A and long A symbols. But there is a little difference. First we have to write long A symbol with little modification. Then write the letter Ka. And then write the long A symbol. Ko. Ko. Okay, next vowel is Au. Au. Q plus Au. Cow. Cow. Example. Kaumpanu. Kaumpanu means burying. Holodu in Kannada. Let us say how it is written. First we have to write the letter Ka. Then write the vowel Au symbol. Cow. Cow. Okay, next one is This is called Anunasika or nasal sound. Q plus come. Come. Example. Kandi. Kandi means a window. Kitaki in Kannada. Let us say how it is written. First we have to write the letter Ka. Then write a small circle next to the consonant. Come. Come. Okay, next one is Aha. Aha. This is called Visarga. Q plus Aha. Kaha. Kaha. Let us see how to write this. First we have to write the consonant letter Ka. Then write two small circles next to the consonant letter. kaha, kaha. Okay, that's all we had for the day. In the next lesson, we will learn conjunct consonants. Thanks for watching this video. If you like this video, please click on the thumbs up button below. Also, don't forget to subscribe by clicking on the subscribe button to get notification on my latest video lessons on YouTube. If you have any suggestions, please comment. Happy learning, and we will meet again in the next video. Bye.